The Presidential Staff Office stated that the Prabowo Subianto and Gibran Rakabuming Raka government had anticipated early the United States reciprocal tariff policy of 32% on Indonesian goods. This was conveyed by the acting Deputy 2 of the Presidential Staff Office, Edy Priyono, on Thursday, April 3, 2025. Edy also mentioned that his office had already conducted an analysis of the impact of Trump's import tariff policy. However, he added that the results of the analysis could not be disclosed. Previously, U.S. President Donald Trump announced an increase in trade tariffs for countries that have long had a trade surplus with the U.S. on Wednesday, April 2, 2025. Around 60 countries will be subject to reciprocal tariffs, amounting to half the rates they impose on the U.S. According to data from the White House, Indonesia ranks 8th among countries affected by the U.S. tariff hike, with a rate of 32%. Other targeted countries include Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Thailand. Sahabat Kompas TV, what are your thoughts on this latest policy from Donald Trump?